In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to start an affiliate marketing website cheaply and fast. So it's how to start an affiliate marketing website cheaply and fast. So the first thing to do is to get a domain name. So this is one of the websites that I've used. Namecheap, which is a pretty reasonably priced domain provider. So you can buy domains anywhere from $1 or $2 up to, well, even thousands of dollars a year. So in order to find a domain, you can use what we call a domain generator, and this is one of the ones that I've used, Lean Domain Search. So for example, if you are trying to find a domain for, say, the cooking niche, if you just type in cooking, and it will give it some time to search, and it will spit out a whole stack of possible domain names for the cooking niche. So if you have a look, there's a whole stack of various domains, and you can sort these by popularity, by length. So you can have the shorter ones first, or even alphabetical. And I've found this particularly useful in order to find a good domain name. Just another tip in terms of finding a brandable domain name. Short domain names are better. So something short like fivefunnel.com or clickfunnels.com, these are just short and easy to remember. So once you've got your domain name, then you need to find somewhere that you're going to host your website. So this is one of the popular hosting companies, Bluehost, and as you can see, you can get shared hosting packages here for $4.22 per month. That's Aussie. $8.36 per month. There's various plans. So for $8.36 per month, you can have unlimited websites and unlimited storage. And so once you've got your domain and you've got your hosting package, you need to connect those two together. You can even buy both domain and hosting together. I just don't like to do that because your business is beholden to the one company. So get your domain, then get your hosting. I'll leave links for this below, and if you like the content on this video, make sure that you smash the like button and the subscribe button, and make sure that you stay till the end of the video, where I will actually show the quickest way and the fastest way to find out what your subscribers are wanting to watch and to find out. So once you've got your domain and you've found a appropriate domain name, got your hosting, then you need a theme, and this is a theme that I've used, Schema Lite. It's a WordPress theme. And your hosting company should give you an immediate WordPress installation. WordPress literally takes 5 seconds to install onto your host. So Schema Lite, I found that this is a very fast loading, very simple theme. You can see that the theme here, that's what it looks like on the web page. Very clean, very simple, and loads well. So once you've got your theme installed, then you're going to need to install a number of different plugins, so WordPress plugins. So the 4 ones that I think are worth installing are, first of all, a security plugin. So something like WordFence, and this is a free theme or free plugin. And the reason why I think this is worthwhile installing is because you want to protect your sites against hackers. And so I found that this is quick and easy to install and does a pretty good job. So that's the first WordPress plugin. The second WordPress plugin that you'll need is a image compressor. So something like Namecheap. So this is another free WordPress plugin. Namecheap compresses images and it optimizes your load time, because when you've got images on your site, you're going to need the site to be able to load quickly, and if you've got large images that are not compressed, that's going to slow down your site significantly. So you've got your security plugin, your image compression plugin, then you're going to need an SEO plugin, and this one called Rank Math, another free WordPress plugin that will help to make your posts more SEO friendly. It'll give you suggestions as to how you can optimize your SEO so that it'll rank higher in the search engines. So that's the third plugin. The fourth plugin is this plugin called Pretty Links. And Pretty Links basically is just a link shortener, because when you've got affiliate links, which are often very long and very ugly, you can use a plugin like Pretty Links just to shorten them. And you can also use this to what we call cloak links. So a link cloaker is essentially a plugin that will, when someone clicks on your shortened link, it will also click or drop the affiliate link, so that the person that has clicked on your link, if they do buy, the sale is attributed to your link, to your affiliate link. The final plugin that I'm going to mention is this plugin called Thrive Themes, and there are a number of products in the Thrive theme category, or the Thrive theme product range, and the two that I think are worth, or that I've got and I think are worth using, are Thrive Architect and Thrive Leads. Thrive Architect is basically a page builder. It's good for building landing pages, and so you can build opt-in pages and landing pages with this tool. You can also use this one. They're both paid products, so I think they're optional. Thrive Leads is a WordPress plugin that you can build opt-in forms for your blog posts. So at the end of a post, you can then put an opt-in box where people can subscribe to your email list, or opt in for an opt-in, some sort of opt-in, like a video or a free video course, or a cheat sheet or something like that. So those two products in the Thrive themes range, I think, are worth using. Now, as I said at the start of the video, I would show you a couple of tools that I use in order to find out what people are wanting or looking for. So this is a free tool called Ubersuggest, and basically Ubersuggest it's a keyword tool, so you can actually do some keyword research and look at what people are searching for. So if you have a look at this gives you, for example, this gives you a keyword overview. If you say typed in a keyword like personal development, it'll give you an overview of what people are searching for in this niche. So you can see that the search volume, there's 12,100 searches per month for that particular term. They give you an SEO difficulty or an organic search difficulty of 23. Anything less than 40 is considered easy, and a paid difficulty. So one tip is to go for a higher, well, especially when you're doing SEO, you want a higher paid difficulty, so anything above 80, and a lower SEO difficulty in order that you can rank easier for a particular search term. So it gives you search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and a cost per click. So that's what you would expect to pay cost per click for that particular search term on a paid search engine. So it gives you keyword overview, then it can give you keyword ideas. So if you have a look here, it'll give you all these particular suggestions for this particular search term. So this will give you a whole list of particular keyword ideas, volume per month, search volume per month, the cost per click, the paid difficulty, and the search difficulty. And then it will also give you content ideas. So if you use this this free search tool, you'd be able to come up with a whole stack of content in order to put on your blog. You can also make videos out of it or audios out of it for podcasts. And finally, the other tool that I have just started using is this tool for YouTube videos called VidIQ. And so there are a number of features for this tool. There's things like the scorecard. So if I pull an example of the scorecard up, here's an example of the scorecard. It will give you an overview score, the views per hour, the number of total views that it's had, the subscribers that have been driven as a result of the video, the average view time, the duration of the video, the breakdown by devices and the top countries. Then you've got, as part of this, this is a paid tool, by the way, and it's only For the pro version, it's like $10 a month, but I think it's definitely worth it if you're making YouTube videos, because it'll give you keyword research. So it'll give you a whole stack of search terms on YouTube, and then give certain scores, such as the search volume score, the competition score. And then it will also go into competitors and tracking your competitors. It will also give you trending videos. That's highly useful if you want to rank for suggested videos on the YouTube right-hand side. It'll also give you the most viewed videos. So it's only $10 a month, and I think it's worth it. So there you have it. That's a breakdown of how to start an affiliate marketing website quickly and cheaply. So first of all, get your domain, get your hosting, get your theme set up, get your 4 free plugins and possibly your 1 paid plugin. Then use your free keyword tool to find out what people are searching for, and possibly, if you're doing videos on YouTube, use a paid tool like this to find out what people are searching for. So there you have it. We'd love to hear what you think about this video. Smash the like button, the subscribe button, post a comment in the comments section, and we'll see you in the next video.